Baffled by the growing pro-freedom activities, India has launched its dreaded National Investigation Agency to carry out raids at several locations across the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the raids were conducted at Islamabad, Kulgam, Baramulla and Shopian districts of the Kashmir Valley and Poonch and Rajouri districts in the Jammu region on early Tuesday morning. During the raids, the NIA sleuths were accompanied by the personnel of Indian Police and paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force. Unrelenting military and police siege imposed by Narendra Modi-led Hindutva Indian government on 5th August 2019 continued to take a heavy toll on the daily life of the people in the occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said that entire occupied Kashmir has been turned into an open-air prison for its residents since India illegally revoked the special status of occupied Kashmir 4 years ago. The Guardian, a British daily newspaper, published a detailed story on Fahad Shah, the editor of the Kashmir Wala, one of the last remaining independent news websites in occupied Kashmir, detailing how a so-called terrorism law is being used by India to silence the critics of Narendra Modi and his policies in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the newspaper's correspondent from Srinagar, Akash Hussain, interviewed Fahad Shah, an occasional contributor to The Guardian, at his residence. Indian authorities concerned have approved 15% increase in the power tariffs under the garb of the non-meters category in occupied Kashmir, affecting around 1 million consumers. According to Kashmir Media Service, the tariff has been approved by the Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission. Delhi High Court has appointed 14 February for hearing a plea filed by India's dreaded National Investigation Agency seeking the death penalty for the jailed Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front chairman Mohammad Yasin Malik, languishing in India's Tihar jail. According to Kashmir Media Service, High Court on Tuesday directed the jail superintendent of the jail to produce Yasin Malik through video conferencing. U.S. Deputy National Security Advisor John Feiner led a delegation to New Delhi to see the progress on the formation of an investigative panel to probe a plot to assassinate a Sikh leader on the U.S. soil. According to Kashmir Media Service, the White House said this in a press statement.